Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write speech on Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav, also known as Forest Festival, is an annual one week tree planting festival in India which is celebrated in the first week of July. It is a great tradition, so let's learn how to prepare and deliver a speech on this beautiful topic. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Good morning to the Excellencies, Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today, we are here to celebrate Van Mahotsav, also known as the Tree Festival. The special occasion is dedicated to planting trees and raising awareness about the importance of forests. Van Mahotsav was started in 1950 by Dr. K. M. Munshi, the then Union Minister for Agriculture and Food. To create enthusiasm among people for forest conservation and planting trees. It is celebrated every year in the first week of July. Trees are very important for us. They give us oxygen, which we need to breathe. They also provide us with fruits, shade, and help in reducing pollution. Forests are home to many animals and birds, and they play a crucial role in maintaining our environment. By planting more trees, we can help reduce the effects of global warming and climate change. On this Van Mahotsav, let us all pledge to plant more trees and take care of them. Each one of us can make a difference by being responsible and caring for our environment. Thank you, and let's work together to make our planet greener and healthier. Jai Hind.